So guys, we're here now at the Brooklyn Park. Samahan niyo kami maglakad-lakad dito, mag-walk-walk dito. So nice, very nice. So come, hey guys, let's go to walk. Oh my God, I like that. Yeah, so nice to walk here, guys. It's very nice. The weather is 80 degrees. Oh my God, we need to take advantage, guys. Oh my God, we walk here. So come on. So guys, mag-start na tayo mag-walk dito sa trail, guys. Ayan. Sus guys, napaka-nice talaga dito, guys. Ayan, kung gusto niyo mag-walk-walk, guys, sus maka-walk talaga tayo dito, guys, kasi very huge there also to, to walk this one. Ayan. So, samahan niyo akong mag-walk dito, guys, si Ellie Betty. Ellie Betty for your vloggers in the Philippines. But now, we are here now in the Fredley, Minnesota, guys. Ayan. Ayan, nag-walk-walk tayo dito, guys. Samahan nyo kami mag-walk, guys. Dami kaya dito mga woods, guys. Look at, guys. So nice na, guys, kasi wala nang snow. Oh, let's walk, guys. Ayan. So nice to walk in this place, guys, Yeah, this is a place that's very nice. You can breath of fresh air here. Oh my God, I like here, huh? It's like, so guys, amahan nyo kaming, tingnan nyo, guys, ang ganda talaga ng feelings dito, guys. Oh, so nice, so hot. I feel that I'm in the Philippines. So guys, nice kayong weather, guys. Very, very nice. So hot. We need to take advantage of the weather, guys. Yeah.
Carved in the pumpkin with light.
So nice, guys. Just makasit down lang ta, guys. Ay, upo tayo dito, guys. So they built here 1938. Yes, I mean.
Yeah, looks like you could put a.
Ano? So very nice kayo diri, guys. So nice to walk. Hello guys, I can see it. Yes. Oh my, it's nice. I can see the train here, guys. Look at that. Wow. Sus guys, parang nandito na talaga, nandoon na talaga po sa Pilipinas, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys. Sus, yeah. Na-feel ko talaga yung Pilipinas, guys. Parang nandoon ako sa sa province, guys. Ayan. Na-feel ko na talaga yung Philippines, guys. Ayan. Sus, ang ganda. Green na talaga. Makikita mo yung mga green na, guys, na leaves. Ayan. Sus. Ayan. So, this is the hiking trail, guys. Hiking trail. Ayan. So, nandito tayo, guys. Hike tayo dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Meron nag-relax, guys. So, guys. Ayan. Nag-relax talaga sila, guys. Guys, palakad-lakad din tayo, guys. Ayan. Palakad-lakad din tayo, guys. Oh my time. Ayan. Set kami dyan, guys. Pag may time, guys. Ayan. Nice kayo, guys. Maka-breath tayo fresh air here. Oh my God. I like it. Very, very nice kayo, guys. Guys. Nagwo-walk talaga kami dito, guys. Ayan. Wow, parang na-feel ko na talaga yung Philippines, guys. So nice. Look at my attire, guys. So see, it's because it's warm today. That's why. You know, it's nice to take advantage of the weather, guys, because it's 80 degrees here today. So nice. Today it's Sunday here. Afternoon, guys. So, ayan. You can sit here, honey. And guys, nandito na tayo sa lake nila, guys. Oh my God, I like here. Woo! Wow.
Wow.
Yes, so nice.
Nice. Nice shot.
Yeah.
Nice.
Neither of them are banded, so it's not like they have been handled.